I hear that this year there's something that can go on top of it now.
It has a no leak warranty and it follows the camper.
It's something that every RVer should definitely consider getting. And how durable is the glass? Can you use propane to cook the pizza? Today, we're checking out the top 5 RV products that I found at the 2026 Florida RV Super Show. Today, we're back with Eddie from Slinky Stove. How you doing?
Hey McKinley, nice to see you.
What have you been working on the past year?
Well, we've been working very hard, so I'm happy and excited to introduce, we actually have a new version. It's a propane, but it's not only a propane, it's actually a dual use fire pit that works with propane or just wood, all in one.
That's really nice because we love to use wood in our fire pits, but if we're leaving the next morning, we don't want to deal with it the next morning. So having that propane option is really nice because we can just turn it on and pack it up as soon as it's off.
Exactly. We also have the collapsibility features of the normal Slinky stove.
And so it's 3 different levels, correct?
It's 3 concentric rings, which creates a massive airflow, which makes it more smokeless. We've also made some other improvements on the Slinky stove. We've created a lot of new molds that now we have rounded edges. It's all stainless steel, as you know, as always.
So the edges aren't as sharp now.
There's no sharp edges.
Wow, very nice. You can literally rub your finger on
You
it.
could rub your finger. It's all
Wow.
rounded, all smooth, and it's not only here, it's on all these circles as well. It's all rounded off.
Very nice. And it seems like you have a new grate system.
Yes, so that's the most obvious change. We've been able to span the grates all the way out to the edges. So now we've increased significantly our cooking surface. So now the cooking surface goes all the way to the edge.
So this is just the fire pit, but I hear that this year there's something that can go on top of it now. And what is
Yes.
that about?
We were working on it last year. We have this. This is a prototype. This is not the final version, but this is what it's gonna look like. We've actually made the lip hand a little bit wider, and we've removed these handles so that it fits better into this bag. And this also collapsed down. Same function, it's a patented product as well. We have multiple utility patents on this product. This comes off and everything compacts down to this.
So you basically can have 2 of these bags and have that whole setup. Very
And
cool.
you'll have what's called a pizza oven, but as some people always pointing out, it's not only a pizza oven. You could cook bread, there's also food. You could also use it directionally for heat. So there's many other options as well.
Now here's the question that I have. Can you use propane to cook the pizza?
Yes, you can.
That's amazing. Well, Eddie, when will these be available? Because I know they're new.
We're out of stock right now, the inventory, and we have new shipments coming out. This hasn't been released yet. You're getting a preview. This is pretty much a world premiere of this, and this will be out around March.
So another product that I just found at the RV show is this right here, which is really cool.
I'm Christoph. I'm the founder and owner of Silver Magnetic System. So we are from Bavaria, from Germany, and here from Munich. And now we are brand new in the United States and bring our smart magnetic tableware and drinkware to the States. So here, for example, in the bowl is a perfectly integrated magnet inside with a silicone ring, and they attract each other through the plates and bowls and holds them in place.
So when you're going down the road, everything's gonna stay in one spot.
Exactly. And how it works, so here are the magnets, and here is the metal nanogel coaster. And the cool thing is, so this is only a nanogel, so if it's dirty, you can wash it with a clear water, wait 5 minutes, and it's sticky again.
Okay.
And you can put it in a storage box, put dishes in it, have bumpy rides, holds them in place. And the cool thing is, you can use crystal glass as well, because the magnets are completely integrated here in the bottom as well, and every single set comes always with a coaster. It means reusable, removable, and washable, and holds your dishware or your glassware always in place.
Okay. And how durable is the glass?
So we have different sizes of the glasses. So all our products are made in Germany. So we have a different field. And so I would like to say the favorite and the top seller from Sylvie is always the wine glass, because everybody would like to drink wine from crystal glass.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, very cool.
And also for an espresso, for example, this is another top seller what we have. We call it Power Bundle XXL. We put 4 magnets in the bottom with the 3M glue dots and have the flexible pads as a counterpart. Put an espresso on it, That's it. So you have no any movements or any sliding things on board.
And I see you have a paper towel holder as well.
Yeah, of
Tell me
course.
about that.
So here you find the rubberized magnets on the backside, and here you have anti-roll stop function. You put a paper roll on it, and you
So
have
your
the,
handle, so the holder and the paper towel
yeah,
will come off the wall.
exactly.
Very nice.
And you have the metal strip and store them on the way, and it's perfect.
Very cool.
We solve a solution as well. Yeah.
All right. And where can everyone find your product?
So we are brand new in the States. So now we are here at the Tampa RV show with General RV. So we are with Keystone, so you can buy it on Amazon, you can buy it in our web shop, sylvie.de. And so now our stuff is available in the United States. So we are producing all our products with handmade in Germany, but now we are available in the States as well.
All right. This is a pretty cool product, guys. So we are now in the vendor building, and I just came across a product that is actually the strongest roof.
My name is Jennifer Adair, and we own a product called Flex Armor. It's a sprayed RV roof that gets rid of all your caulking, all your yearly maintenance. And since it's extremely tough but flexible, so tree limbs don't hurt it, hail doesn't damage it, and you don't have the maintenance that you deal with the other membranes.
Now, what is a process like this? How long does it take to install it, and how long will it last?
On average, it takes 2.5 days to do a roof because we strip all your caulking, we're taking off air conditioners, there's a lot of prep. It's about a day and a half getting the surfaces ready. And so usually you're out of there in 2.5 days unless you have a lot of woodwork. And it'll outlast your camper. It's designed to have about a 50-year plus life in the UV. So it usually outlasts most motorhomes or campers. And it also has a transferable warranty. It has a no-leak warranty, and it follows the camper.
So if you sell your RV, the next
new owner
person
gets the warranty, yes. And we have a network of applicators across the country, and we all honor that. You're not dependent on that one shop you originally had it at. You can go to anybody.
So where can people find you, and do they have to go to one location to get their roof done, or can they have it done close to where they live?
You can go to our website is rvroof.com, and you do have to take it to one of those authorized locations because everything's done indoors because we're taking everything apart and off. So you'd go to one of those locations.
Thank you for sharing your product. Enjoy the show.
Thanks.
All right, so while we are here at the show, there's another product that we need to check out that every single RVer should definitely have, and it's gas stop.
Hi guys, so gas stop is a 100% shut off safety valve. In case you have a catastrophic leak, gas stop will shut off 100%, is always at the source, and I'm going to demonstrate how that works. So this is to create a major leak. So what I do is I need to open the cylinder, then I prime the gauge 4 to 6 times to get a little ball bearing in the middle, and then I'm going to create a major leak. 3, 2, 1, check. And now everybody is safe. It's shut off 100% completely. So what I also can do is do a minor leak test. When I open the cylinder, I prime the gauge and I just close the cylinder. When I close it, I'm trapping the gas into the whole system. And if there is a minor, tiny leak, it will drop the needle. So if you come back after 10 minutes and the needle has dropped, you know you need to solve something.
This is a really great product, and it's something that every RVer should definitely consider getting because gas is one of those things that
Absolutely.
it's very important to know whether your system's in check. So yeah, where can they
Absolutely.
find you?
They can find me at General RV and they can find me on Amazon.
All right.
I'm Melissa. I am one of the owners of Rivet Supply Co. My husband and I are the owners and creators, and we've created removable ways to create and capture your memories. So this is our United States map, and then we also have created the adventure board, and our whole idea is like create memories with your family and then save them. So these are removable. You attach with Velcro command strips, and then if you upgrade your rig, you just take it with you.
That's really nice. The fact that a lot of them are big stickers, so you can't take them with you on the next one. And that's like, do you
Exactly.
restart or do you fill in the states you've been to? So
I
it's
know,
really
it's a hard thing. This way, you just keep going, and then it comes with your choice of sticker books. So we do have people, too, that are like, hey, I collected this sticker in one rig, and then when I upgraded my rig, I decided I'm going to collect a different one. So you only need one map.
that's really cool. And where can they find you?
RivetSupplyCo.com.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so much.
That right there is going to do it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the road.